Welcome to Becase Philippines. To get started as a host, you need to register or sign up your account. Input the necessary details in the form. By clicking sign up, you agree to our terms and that you have read our privacy policy. For first-time users, please note that you need to verify your email address to have a complete access on the website. You will automatically redirected to the website to log in your account. Click the Become a Host button, then on the host registration form. Fill up the necessary details. And upload one valid ID and one TIN ID. By clicking sign up, you agree to our terms and that you have read our privacy policy. Click the settings button and go to my properties and click add property button. Select the listing category of your property and fill up the necessary details in the form. It is the host's responsibility for accurately describing your listing by both selecting the appropriate category and providing further details of the property in the description. Upload the images of your listing and select one for the main image. Select your preferred check-in and check-out time for your guest. And price your listing, then click Submit button. Hooray! You are now ready to host at Becase Philippines.